Give me my glasses back.
What do you need them for? You need to see other women? That's
What?
why? You need your glasses to go cheat and see other women, see who else is out there, who's available to you?
Bro, I'm
If you
driving.
need glasses and you need contacts to see, you're probably cheating as a man.
Or I'm just blind.
Okay, well then good. That's perfect for me.
So
I
you
don't
want
need
us to wreck?
I'll drive then. I don't know why you think you always have to drive. I didn't know you needed glasses to drive. I do know you need glasses to see other women when I'm the only woman you should be looking at.
Honey, I'm on the road.
Okay, we're in the driveway. I still have time to swap spots with you, and I will start driving from now
You're
on.
the
because
passenger
you don't
princess.
need any glasses. You don't even need eyes, for that matter.
So
The
you
fact
want
that
me-
you have
Oh,
eyes probably
I
means
have
you
the
can
best idea.
that you can cheat.
I have the best
Or
idea.
want to.
Why don't I just drive with my eyes closed?
Why don't you just pluck your eyes out?
Look, just give him back.
No.
This is preposterous.
Is it preposterous? I think what's preposterous is that you use your eyes to look at other women!